Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top 3 best Samsung S22 Ultra screen protectors 2022 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is a 6.8-inch phone that is both attractive and simple to use. However, the larger the phone, the more likely it is that you will lose control of it and send it crashing to an unfriendly sidewalk, especially if you are trying to operate it with one hand. Most people will not hesitate to purchase a high-quality protective case for a phone as large and expensive as the Galaxy S22 Ultra, but many are more hesitant to purchase an additional screen protector. I have prepared this video guide for the best Samsung S22 Ultra screen protectors 2022, so let's get started. 3:am Film 3D Curved Tempered Glass. Though it costs a little more than some of the other screen protectors on our list, this M-Film UV Glass Screen Protector 2-pack is well worth the money. The kit includes 2 glass screen protectors, a UV curing light, 2 UV gel drips, wet wipes, an installation tray, and everything else you need for a perfect installation. The protector is made of scratch-resistant glass and provides 99.9% ultra-clear HD transparency as well as drop protection. There's also an oleophobic coating to keep fingerprints at bay. We like that this screen protector comes with an application manual and a demo video, which is useful if you've never installed a screen protector before or are unsure about the process. 2:WRJ 2-pack TPU Screen Protector. The WRJ screen protector and matching camera protector are simple to install and perfectly align with the contours of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. This 2-pack is made of flexible TPU material that is highly transparent and ultra-thin for a true-to-touch feel and high sensitivity. Its self-healing technology repairs minor scratches on the film and significantly reduces dust, oil, and fingerprint smudges, ensuring that your phone remains in pristine condition. Self-healing technology on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra hydrogen film helps eliminate minor scratches on the film by itself. Reduces dust, oil, and fingerprint smudges significantly. 1:Spigen Neo Flex. Spigen is a name you can trust when it comes to phone protection, and the Neo Flex screen protector is no exception. When you purchase this, you will receive 2 optical film screen protectors, an installation spray, and a squeegee to assist you in achieving a bubble-free installation. There's even a helpful tutorial video to ensure you know how to properly install the protector. This protector provides edge-to-edge coverage for the S22 Ultra screen, though some reviews claim it is actually too large to fit, and has no effect on touchscreen response or clarity, so you won't even notice it's there. So guys, this was the video about the best Samsung S22 Ultra screen protectors 2022. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.